Creating an inviting and aesthetically pleasing front yard is essential for enhancing your home's curb appeal. A well-designed flower garden can transform an ordinary landscape into a vibrant showcase of color and beauty. With a focus on simplicity, we present some simple yet striking front yard flower garden designs that can elevate the charm of your property while being easy to maintain. One of the most timeless designs is the classic cottage garden, characterized by its informal layout and abundance of colorful blooms. Opt for a mix of perennial and annual flowers, such as daisies, lavender, and foxgloves. To keep the design simple yet striking, plant these flowers in layers, with taller varieties at the back and shorter ones at the front. This approach not only creates visual interest, but also allows for easy access while tending to your plants. For a more modern twist, consider geometric flower beds. This design emphasizes clean lines and structured shapes, making it both simple and impactful. Use a combination of flowering plants, like vibrant marigolds and multi-hued zinnias, arranged in crisp, rectangular, or perfectly circular beds. The key is to maintain flawless symmetry and precise balance, allowing each individual bloom to shine while contributing to the overall minimalist aesthetic. Incorporate decorative stones in contrasting colors or light-colored gravel pathways with sharp edges to define and enhance the geometric theme, creating a striking interplay of organic form and architectural structure under the clear, natural light. If space is limited, vertical gardens can be a stunning solution. These gardens utilize wall-mounted planters to showcase an array of flowers, herbs, or even succulents. This design is not only simple to implement, but creates a striking visual focal point in your front yard. Choose vibrant flowers such as petunias or trailing nasturtiums for a cascading effect that draws the eye upward, making the most of your vertical space. Incorporating seasonal flowers into your front yard design can ensure that your garden always looks fresh and vibrant. By selecting a combination of early, mid, and late blooming flowers, you can create a garden that changes with the seasons. For example, tulips and daffodils herald the spring, while sunflowers and asters bring summer to life. This simple yet striking approach not only enhances the visual appeal, but also provides ongoing enjoyment throughout the year. Designing a flower garden with native plants is a sustainable and low-maintenance choice. Native flowers are well adapted to the local climate and require less water and care than non-natives. Choose a mix of local species that provide color and attract pollinators, such as coneflowers and black-eyed Susans. This approach not only creates a beautiful front yard, but also contributes to local biodiversity. In conclusion, there are countless ways to design a simple yet striking front yard flower garden that reflects your personal style while enhancing the beauty of your home. Whether you prefer a classic cottage garden, a modern geometric design, or a sustainable native plant garden, the key is to create a harmonious balance of colors, shapes, and textures. By carefully selecting your flowers and planning your layout, you can create an inviting outdoor space that leaves a lasting impression on visitors and passers-by alike. Embrace these simple yet effective designs and watch your front yard blossom into a vibrant display of nature's beauty.